guys, it's me again, VA Jessie, and welcome back to my channel. To those who are new here, I'm VA Jessie and I help people grow their freelancing career by providing work from home tips, sales and phone skills improvement techniques, and share information that will help you become a better virtual assistant. So if you want to get more tutorials about work from home, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to get more updates on the new videos I'll be creating. Today, we're going to talk about how to earn money as a virtual assistant that does lead research. This is a non-voice account and it will be very helpful for you if you want to work from home but do not want to make calls. This is basically a counterpart of the other video I just created, which is about voice accounts for virtual assistants. This lead search tutorial that I'm going to give you today applies for business-to-business accounts, and please take note that I am sharing my personal experience and techniques on how to generate leads for my client. What I do may not work for everyone, but I'm sharing it anyway because I have been very successful in using these steps. There are a lot of small business owners that hire virtual assistants to grow and market their business through telemarketing. And to begin this process, they have to have a list of leads to call. However, not all of them have it handy. So what they do is they hire a virtual assistant that does both cold calling and lead researching. But smart business owners will hire a caller and a lead researcher so that each of them can focus on their given task and be more effective. So the telemarketer gets to focus on his or her cold calling telemarketing task, while the lead researcher, virtual assistant, gets to focus on building a lead list for the telemarketer. A client actually also has an option to buy leads in bulk, but the downside of that is they sometimes get a bad lead list which has outdated phone numbers and information. So to gain more success, they hire someone that specializes in this area to manually look and search for lead information and create a lead list for them. If you want to offer this service, you can either get paid per hour, per lead, or per milestone, meaning, for example, once 1,000 leads are done, you will get paid an X amount of money. Before you begin your lead search, you first have to prepare your lead sheet. Nowadays, virtual assistants do it through Google Sheet. I prefer it this way too, so you can share your lead search to clients real time. I'll just create a header for each information I need, which are company name, address, website, decision maker, phone number, and email address. Next, you have to understand your client's business and find out what line of business he is targeting. For example, my client in California asked me to find restaurants in Los Angeles so he can offer his products. This is how I'm going to find leads for him. I'll go to yelp.com and type in the restaurants in Los Angeles. After that, I will copy paste the information. This is where you'll get the business name, address, phone number, and website. Some lead searchers stop at this point, but I am the kind of person who goes an extra mile for my client, so I don't stop here. Instead, I will quickly look up the name of the possible decision maker. Gatekeepers hate telemarketing, so they will not let the caller talk to the person in charge if the call is not important. All the more if the caller does not even have a name. Comment down below if you want me to create a video about how you can get through gatekeepers. To get this done, I'll go to rocketsearch.co and type in the name of the business, and it will show you possible names of decision makers. You just need to check if it matches the location you're looking for and then copy paste it on your sheet. After that, I'll go to Google and type in company name or company website, employee business, and email format, and it will show different possible email formats for the business and probability percentage of each format. Now I'll have an idea which one is most likely accurate, so I'll follow that format and then put it on my spreadsheet. I'll do the same steps for each lead, and I'll make sure I make as much lead as I can. For the email address, sometimes it might be wrong, but you just gotta keep on using all of the other formats until you get the right one. Please remember that you have to be efficient and quick when you do this, and always pay attention to details. Once you have collated all the leads, you can submit it to your client for review. If you are using a Google Sheet, you just need to send your client the link of the Google Sheet and share it with him so that he can also see it and edit the sheet. So that's it, guys. These are my ways on how to do lead search for a client. I hope this helps you with your work from home journey. If you are a beginner who wants to earn money while deciding on what niche you'll have, you can try offering this service to clients to begin earning money already. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to be updated on the new videos I'll be uploading. Like this video if you like it, and comment down below if you have other virtual assistant tutorial videos you want me to make. Thank you, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Bye!